how to change or remove your Pinterest account from your store on Ecwid is in quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove it. First open your browser and then once you're here, click settings, and here we'll find general settings. Now scroll down until you find social media accounts, and here we'll find Pinterest link. If you want to change it, just remove this one here and then type any username you want, and if you want to remove it, just remove it like that and click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, and that's it. I hope that thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.